Hello everyone, welcome back to another market review. So I left this one kind of late, so I'll be going over the day very quickly. I didn't take any trades personally, but I can go over what I was looking at today. So overall, no news today on Thursday, so I'll be looking for opportunities at 9 a.m. Daily chart, we're still, very extended. Haven't tapped into these daily fair value gaps, but we have been so bullish that we are also testing these down close candles, which are order blocks. And due to how bullish we have been in price, it wouldn't surprise me if we saw some support from here and not necessarily come down to the daily fair value gap. So that's something of keeping in mind. Also, we had a previous week high SMT, as you can see here. Previous week high SMT, ES didn't take it out, while NQ and YM did. So that was the beginning to looking for a sell framework, but we needed a previous day high SMT or a previous session high SMT to confirm that. And when we go to the previous session high, all assets closed above it, so there was no previous session high to confirm it. And then when we go to the 90-minute for the previous day high, we had no previous day high SMT, and we did in fact have a previous day low SMT. And also we had a previous session low SMT on top of that, with YM taking out previous session low while NQ and ES didn't. So overall, didn't have what I wanted to see to confirm a bearish bias for today, because we didn't have that previous day high SMT nor that previous session high SMT. Instead, what we have is a previous day low SMT, a previous session low SMT, and we know that we are tapping into some order blocks on the daily. So this is actually giving us a bit more of a framework to look for higher prices today. So action plan was simple. What is the bias today? Is I'm bullish. What would be the invalidation of my bias is invalidation of bullish SMTs like previous session low and previous day low. When am I looking for a trade? 9 a.m., 30 minutes before equities open. And what am I looking for is just low time frame bullish SMTs. So at the open, I was looking for bullish SMTs on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, that this was the target, previous day high, and price never created an SMT. I mean, 9:30 started on this candle right here, and then we never formed any SMTs on the lows, but price did, in fact, after stalling for a while, it did make its way all the way up to previous day high. So the targeting and the bias was correct, just no setup to capitalize off it. But after we tapped into the previous day high, we created then a previous day high SMG. As you can see here, NQ took it out, ES took it out, YM failed to, and then from there we saw a really big displacement down. So yeah. Anyway, so that was it for today. Going into tomorrow, we'll see what it gives. But yeah, that was it. So I hope this was insightful, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.